Optogenetic is a multidisciplinary technique that combines optics and genetic to control and monitor specific cells in living tissue using light-sensitive protein. This allows scientists to manipulate the activity of individual neuron or other cells with high precision using light, providing insight into the function of these cells in a various biological systems. Here are a few applications of optogenetic. It can be utilized in neurosciences. By using light to manipulate specific neuron, we can uncover the secret of neural circuit and advancing our understanding of conditions like brain diseases and neurological disorders. The next area is pain management. Optogenetic helps us to study and modulate pain-sensing neuron, potentially opening the doors to innovate chronic pain therapies. The next area is behavior study. By precisely tinkering with the neural circuit in animals, it provides insight to the learning, memory, and decision-making process in the brain. The next area is cardiovascular research. Optogenetic aids in understanding the heart rhythm, offering hope for the groundbreaking treatment in the cardiology. And lastly, in the vision restoration, optogenetic holds promises for restoring vision in some form of blindness by sensitizing the non-visual cells to light.